Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to buy an NFT in 5 easy steps. NFT come in all sort of formats from digital work, video and audio file to profile, picture collection. There is a big world of unique digital assets to explore. Although NFT can be created on many different blockchain networks, here we are going to focus on Ethereum, the most popular for NFTs. Following this step by step video to find out how to buy your first NFT. Number 1. Set up a wallet. There are many crypto wallets to choose, but MetaMask is the most popular. When direct integration on OpenSea, the largest Ethereum NFT marketplace, and a gallery to view your digital collectibles, MetaMask is also the best choice for beginners. To create your MetaMask account, simply download the mobile app on your iOS or Android device or browser extension for your desktop. Unless you strongly prefer to buy NFT on your mobile device, we recommend the desktop app as it is easier for first time users. The second tip is fund your wallet with ETH. Next, you will need to add funds so you can make your purchase if you want to buy and sell NFT online. MetaMask, like most wallets, make it safe and easy to copy your crypto wallet address in the app to paste as your destination when completing your purchase. The amount of ETH you should add depends on the price of the NFT you want to buy. MoonPay enables you to buy ETH directly in your MetaMask wallet with a credit or debit card. Third step is connect your wallet to OpenSea. Whether you are choose to download the MetaMask Chrome plugin extension for desktop or the mobile app, you will be able to seamlessly across OpenSea. You will be promoted to connect your digital wallet. We are covering MetaMask here, but you should choose the option that corresponds to your preferred platform. The fourth step is choose the NFT you want to buy. So you have made it OpenSea, your MetaMask wallet is funded and you are ready to buy your first NFT. Maybe you are looking for a specific digital art piece or an NFT product released by a specific creator. Perhaps you have seen that hype coming from the latest alliterative animal NFT collection and you want to be part for a budding community. The fifth step is buy your NFT. Once you find your desired NFT, click buy and OpenSea will take you to purchase screen. You will need to approve the transaction in your cryptocurrency wallet, usually just by clicking a button. Now you will have to set the gas amount based on the transaction priority. If you want your purchase to go through the right away, you can set a high limit. Or if you are willing to wait for a bit longer, you can save some ETH by setting a low limit. Thank you for watching my video.